Recently, I read or I see in the social media one pastor, he say if Peter Obi win election, that he will drop in pastoral calling.
No man again taking a one when I'm no that short video on the naked. I don't worry and the complete video. Manase can for the record for the 1,000,001 time. I mean we are say also. Nobody, more pastor, and more reverend, and more anybody not in position of, position of authority, religion wise, spirituality wise, that has the right to look for. Nobody born of a woman that has the right to vote for square bolom magenya bolom page. We could be the church. Because this thing happened now only maybe see onoka. Odeka hapataza no ka politics jueba onye pastor general and Tinubu government mecha meeting up to say na aya atolo onya na onya akachukwu zile no onya. For the record of it and the 1,000 time, pastor were right isi na onye chukwu kosi ya. Man onwero right isi na onye unu ya atolo. It has never been done in the Bible and it has never been done in the Old Testament, neither is it done in the New Testament. Bible says when the righteous is empowered, the people rejoice. Yotago. Oburo pastor ge hayanga asecha after second onye vote. And I, as a member of Dunamis, with Dr. Paul in nature pata CI na onye vote. Rather, he will present his opinion, present in car. It is left for you whom to vote for and who to choose. Yotago. That is why President Tinubu Yeji made this kind of expensive statement and woman. The naked and the short video saying that now in the church, that is why they have pastors and they want to give hope. You know that with pastors and people are the ones to feed their members. You could inquire about a Muslim, and then that short video called the Nakas na to Budias.
Yes. Before I was born, there was a young guy in this country. And I have no control of the population development of Nigeria, trajectory. And that is why you have membership in your various faiths and churches to give hope to people and give commitment to humanity.
Thank you. I'm gonna forget that very short video. Where then is the law for humanity? Most can be a video now said that now Nigerian Catholic Bishop of Nigeria does not have a right to go and visit Tinubu anywhere. They don't have a right. Bible line that matter that now may kings go and sought for prophet. The other king na ya leprosy onye ko jeje meet here, he went and searched for the prophet, not the prophet searching for them. Nicodemus went and searching for Jesus. Then why is it in our time today you see the men of God going and searching for the government official, the president and all these things, while you know that you are a spiritual territorial commander of that country, that region, that locality in here before the physical aspect of it. All those things he did there. When the king in the Bible had a dream, he went searching for Daniel. With politics here and there. That's why the president here that you have to take responsibility of his action. He may now send them mother that na church hope feed your member, and that is why you are able member of that place. Then what them boys that to generate joker. So they should go to their various shrine and give them hope and they are now wounded and those who will not be the one to feed them. What then are you people trying to pass a message for? You as a pastor saying you drop microphone. That's an open. How dare you? How dare you threaten the people that God have called and put in your position for you to show the right path? How dare you then threaten them? Biko kwano, muna mada de so kuna video, mano ne usu wedele mnobi, nene topo no da video, kodeno.
The man, he talks, say, if Peter Obi win election, he will drop his pastoral calling. Okay, let me tell that pastor. Pastor, you know yourself. Are you stupid? Are you senseless? Are you truly called by God? Now you call yourself. Because instead of you to see vision in how you can elevate the people you have made poor in your church, how to elevate them. I talk again. Instead of you to be thinking of how to elevate the poor people you made in your church, you are talking about vision of Peter Obi. I expect that you as a pastor is to come out and talk, say people should come away from violence during election, and then God decides and everything. Go and get your PVC and come and vote. Instead, you call Peter Obi. Let me tell you one thing. I know they take it easy with anybody who talk against Peter Obi. So, but the hacker better come to social media and come and take away that statement. I'm going to tell you something. You is say a pastor, Kobakaba, he can't talk this kind of thing about Peter Obi. Say he no go win election. If you win election, you will drop the pulpit. Okay, let me give you some example. In this country, if you don't know history, there get one head of state where he say hold the cap fit. Go back when what thing happen? The man a pine. He not even see the election. I give you another example. There was a governor in Kogi State. After declare win election, a pine, he not see the government house. In everything we are doing, strategy, permutation, and everything, I want you to know that there is a God factor. Are you hearing me? There is a God factor. And nobody can challenge God factor. Whatever you are doing, go back. But that is why I'll always tell supporters of Peter Obi and Obi himself, and so pray a lot. Go back, pray a lot, because there is a God factor. No matter how you think you are, you cannot take the place of God. Even you yourself, you did not make yourself. God has decided who you will be. So if you force yourself, go back. Okay, let me tell you one thing. You come out as a pastor, you say, if it will be when you go drop your pulpit. So I tell you today, you go drop her. You go drop your pulpit. Because you are not a pastor. The place where you see that vision, you see I'm from the devil. And Kuma, you are a devil and a senseless person. Go back about. You are, in fact, that thing where you talk more, you are against God. Go to your holy book and see people like Nebuchadnezzar and the rest. They were humbled. Wallahi, you will be humbled if you do not hurry up and go and retract that statement where you make. You are taking God's place. Who tell you that God is not interested in leadership? You as a pastor, you know, no say, they say when righteous leader climb the throne, the people rejoice. What? You know, no. Have you checked the CV of Peter Obi and Konkoso? And then you come out to proclaim this kind of devilish thing in your mouth. I gave you 48 hours. If you no retract them, I will come call your name. I will talk about your family. I will talk about yourself. It's a warning. I know they fear you. Go back about. If you won't find me, wallahi baka isaba. I will only find when Almighty God say I will go. Banza de keko say if a pastor you go, if Peter Obi win, say he go drop. Wato by implication you are saying Peter Obi no go win. Wallahi kadiyanka. You are not God. That goes to generally all Nigerians. Your permutation, your strategy is nonsense before God. There is a God factor in everything. Go back, Abani. Down, goes.